So a lot of buyers are trying to time the market right now, but is that really a good strategy? My advice is this. If you're ready and able to buy, it's better to focus on time in the market, not timing the market. So let me explain that. A recent survey of over 100 industry experts show that home prices are expected to climb for at least the next 5 years. To give that context, here's how a typical home would grow in value and based on those projections. If you bought a $400,000 home in January this year, you could gain roughly $83,000 in equity by 2028. That's not a small number. So sure, you could try to time the market and put your move on hold until the exact right moment, whenever that is, but that's really hard to do. And while you wait, you're going to be missing out on gaining a significant amount of equity. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to help. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.